Take the green ground wire from the left-hand power cord and run it across to the screw on the left-hand side of the heat shield. This screw will hold a grounding ring in place. Next, using your wire strippers, remove approximately 1/8 inch of insulation from the end of the green ground wire. Twist the end of the green ground wire together. Then slide one of the included grounding ring connectors over the end of the green grounding wire. Using a pair of wire crimpers or pliers, crimp the grounding ring securely into place. Repeat the previous process one more time for the second green ground wire. Then install the grounding ring over the end of the wire. Next, using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screw and nut on the left-hand side of the heat shield. This is where the grounding ring for the left-hand power cord will be installed. Tuck the green grounding wire underneath the heat shield and insert the screw through the hole and then through the grounding ring on the other side. Once in place, reinstall the nut on the bottom of the heat shield. Then use your Phillips head screwdriver to tighten everything back into place. Next, you will repeat the same procedure for the screw on the right-hand side of the heat shield. Remove the DC jack bundle from the parts kit bag. Unbundle the wiring and measure out approximately 12 inches of length for the wire. Using a pair of wire cutters, cut the DC jack wire to length. Then, insert into the smaller strainer leaf originally included with the Aquapod 24-gallon canopy. Using a pair of pliers, squeeze the strainer leaf together and insert it into the far left-hand, smaller strainer leaf hole. Next, pull the two wires apart and using a pair of wire strippers, remove approximately 1/2 inch of insulation from both of the black wires. Twist the ends of each wire together. Next, remove both 2-pin fan adapters from the parts kit. Using a wire stripper, remove about ½ inch of insulation from both red and both black wires. Match the ends of the black wires up together and twist them together. Next, you'll do the same to the red wires and twist them together as well. Notice the striped wire on the DC power jack. The striped wire will be twisted together along with the pair of red wires from the 2-pin fan adapters. Next, slide one closed-end connector over the red power wires. Crimp together using a pair of pliers or wire crimpers. Then repeat the process for the remaining 3 black wires. Connect one fan to one of the 2-pin fan adapters, then connect the second fan to the remaining 2-pin fan adapter. Bundle the wires together, then tuck them away underneath the heat shield. Then you will need to reinstall the cover that goes over the wiring compartment. Use your Phillips head screwdriver and screw the 2 screws back into place. Next, all you need to do is install your bulbs and reinstall your splash guard. You should be up and running at this point. Don't forget to plug in your fan power adapter while running your lights.